Today's recipe is how to make Korean salad kimchi called Geotjeori. 2 Chinese cabbages, 3 cups of salt, 1/2 bundle of Asian chive called buchu, 3 cups of chili powder called gochugaru, 3 tablespoons of ginger extract, 1/2 cup of plum extract, 1 cup of fermented salty anchovies called 멸치액젓, 1/2 cup of fermented salty shrimps called 새우젓, 1/2 cup of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. Cut cabbage leaves and put them into large bowl. Dry the cabbage with 2 liters of water and 1/2 cup of salt and sprinkle the rest of salt over top. Salt for 2 hours. Rinse and drain the brine cabbage leaves. Cut buchu into 5 cm long. Add buchu, fermented salty anchovies, corn syrup, fermented salty shrimps, minced garlic, plum extract, ginger extract, chili powder, sesame seeds over salted cabbage. Now, all we have to do is